And it is not only the OFWs that are being given priority by the government. Those working in call centers here at home are also receiving priority attention, particularly on their right on health lifestyle. Haji Camino tells us more.
The Department of Health vows to extensively monitor the condition of call center agents. This was stressed after launching a program that will focus on the right health lifestyle of workers from the business process outsourcing companies. DOH fears that the agents' bad habits at work could result to serious health condition and different kinds of disease.
Malaman natin yung antas ng kalusugan nila. So, makakakuha tayo ng baseline. Ilan na sa kanila ang may sakit, ilan na sa kanila ang mataas ang risk, at anong mga pwedeng gawin para maiwas sila sa komplikasyon kung may sakit na sila o hindi sila tuluyang magkasakit kung mapiprevent pa natin yung mga risk factors.
The program runs for 3 years and the Health Department initially targets 30 call centers for the meantime. Moreover, DOH suggests the BPO companies to provide rest or comfort lounge for workers and to implement prohibition of selling health-risking products such as cigarettes. Meanwhile, Call Center Association of the Philippines or CCAP approves the program and laud its implementation as timely to give BPO workers the attention they need. CCAP also believes that by the next 3 years, there would be a long-term solution for different health conditions that affect call center agents in the country.
Hindi naman kami nagulat dahil in fact gusto nga namin to kasi it will only naman kami talagang tinatago. There's no different, walang pagkakaiba sa contact center. Bukod dun sa mga sinabi ko ng oras ng trabaho namin gabi, na yung mga nararamdaman ng mga tao na nagtatrabaho sa industriya namin, ganun din yung nararamdaman ng ibang tao sa ibang industriya.
For the People's Television Network, I am Haji Camino.